So many times we see the part on eBay, it looks like it's the real thing. They even list it as a OEM factory genuine Honda part, and you order it because it seems like a deal. You get it open, you look at it, and it's a fake part. It's just junk. So you got to be careful of fake parts out there. This is a classic example. So I ordered this two reasons. One, it was very cheap and it seemed too good to be true, and the other was to kind of make this video. The part number right here shows that it is a Honda master cylinder. This all label part looks actually legit. This number, the text looks odd, and the barcode, everything just looks a little bit weird. Well, now you open the thing. First off, it's got the brown cap. That's a no-no. It means it's a fake master. And I mean, it looks like a master cylinder, but it's just a very cheap imitation. This is gonna fail. We've tried these in the past, and they often fail doing the initial bleed-in. So you look on the casting here, there is nothing on the side that says Nissan, which is the OE manufacturer. And it's not lasered in here, it's actually cast in. We've seen these where people will actually laser Nissan in there and then pass it as an OEM part. It's not. This is the OEM part. First off, it comes in a padded bubble wrap bag like this. This is the way they've come for years. And as you see, the part numbers are the same, but the ink looks different. The barcode looks different, which that's not a big deal. The actual part number, the way it looks, is different. This is a brand new one. I'm going to open it for you just so we can look at it side by side. It's a good indication for future if you're looking for one of these. Let's look at it from this side. This is just the dead obvious giveaway right here. First off, you see the aluminum is shinier, but the biggest difference is this right here. This is the manufacturer, Nissan, and it's not Nissan like the car company. It's N-I-S-S-I-N. They make a lot of brakes, a lot of master, a lot of fluid systems. But you see, it has the same kind of look. So people will often see this and go, okay, it's OEM. The big giveaway is the brown cap. Also the fact that it actually comes apart nicely. This thing here, it comes off, but it's just a little bit rickety. But again, they've done a good job to make it look like the real thing, but this is gonna suck. You're gonna spend your time putting this on, and like I mentioned, it'll either fail during the bleeding process or it'll fail the next day, and then it'll possibly damage your clutch or your transmission. Just to give you an idea how this works, this is connected to your clutch pedal. This is like a giant syringe. As you press the clutch pedal in, it presses a cylinder in here with a seal and forces hydraulic fluid out of here to operate your clutch. This seal, most cases, it's a very poor material. It doesn't fit, it doesn't seal, so you will not get full travel. Typically when you press this, that will blow out. On a factory master cylinder, this is just a little rubber plug to keep the thread clean. This should push that plug out, which probably means this isn't working right off the get-go. And again, it's just, there's no pressure on there at all. It's just starting to get pressure. So this is why it would cause you a problem. If you're not getting full travel when you press the clutch down here, if it's not operating full travel on the other end, it's often difficult to get it into gear. You can grind the gears, you can damage your synchronizers. So this cheap part will cause you a lot more money in the future. And it's not the outside problems, it's the internals that you can't see. Don't buy one of these. The more you look at this, the more things you can find different. Obviously the bend is different. The actual reservoir, this is more of a white color. This is more of a creamy white color. We're gonna go ahead and send this one back, and if the guy wants to give us some heat on it, we'll make a video about that. But this can go back. This is how it shipped, which, like I say, I kind of figured it was a fake part, but it was $80. So you never know. Sometimes you buy a cheap part, it turns out to be the real thing. Most of the time it's not. NGK spark plugs are getting ripped off. Map sensors, TPS, injectors, just be careful out there. There's a lot of junk, and I know everyone's trying to find a way to save money. This will cost you more money. Buy the right part the first time around. It will save you a lot of headache in the future, so this one will go back. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Check us out, lhtperformance.com.